Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Introducing the 2-in-1 Hybrid Coffee Brewer for K-Cup and ground coffee by Sboly. This compact, innovatively designed machine fits perfectly with any space. Simply fill the water reservoir and press the K-Cup or ground coffee button. Hybrid technology brews coffee quickly and at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your cup of tasty coffee in just 3 minutes. Easily clean the coffee machine every 2 months by simply pressing 2 buttons. Enjoy a fresh and pure coffee taste with a 2-in-1 coffee maker by Sboly. Now available with a vacuum-insulated coffee tumbler featuring portable hand and openable cap. Sboly. Easy brew, easy life.
Hi everyone, I'm reviewing this Sboly coffee maker that I bought that I am so happy with. I had to share a video review to show everyone how well this works. It comes with, naturally, the coffee maker. It has a cup for using your K-pads, and also you can use regular grounds, and it has a little basket to put your grounds in and a cover for it. I might also mention that this is also good for using tea bags or tea grounds or whatever you or even the K-pods for tea. And it also comes with this really nice cup for travel that it looks like it's metal inside, but I tried this putting hot coffee in it, and it holds the heat, but it doesn't get hot. It really is nice as far as a coffee travel cup. So I'm going to do a little bit of a review here to show you exactly how it works and how easy it is. And even if you have a regular coffee maker, this is so nice because you can get specialty coffee, flavored coffee, and if you just need a cup of coffee in the morning, it gets a cup of coffee ready for you, whereas I have a larger coffee pot and it keeps the heat for so long, and then you have to reheat it in the microwave. It's not quite the same. It starts getting the film on top. This is a fresh cup of coffee every time you make it. So I'm going to start this and show you exactly how it works and how to use it. So this time I'm going to use the insert for the K-pod. Put a K-pod in it, push the button, open it up, put the K-pod in, close it up, and I have measured out 12 ounces of water. You just lift this little lid, pour it in, okay, and it also has a filter in here that shows all of the measurements for your coffee or your water that shows your 12 ounce, 10 ounce, whatever ounces you want to do. But I'm going to go ahead and use 12 ounces for now. And I'm going to use the coffee mug. So I'm going to put this in. I should also mention that you can put any cup in here. You can use your normal coffee cup and just use it. But if you want to do a K-cup, this is what will work. And to use the K-cups, you push the button on the side that says capsule. If you're using grounds, which would be with this thing, you put the coffee in there and you put the little cover on. But I'm going to push K-cups. So now we're starting to brew here. This takes all of 3 minutes to make you a fresh cup of coffee. And I love it because I can have my flavored coffees, and my husband likes the stronger French roast and whatever, Brazilian roast or whatever he likes. It's stronger coffees. But I can make one for me, one for him. And what's really nice is this is so easy. My husband doesn't even shy away from it. He doesn't make anything with any of my appliances, but this one he likes. And whether you have a big coffee maker or not, this is going to be really convenient because you can have a fresh cup of coffee. Like say you're working, you want a fresh cup of coffee, take it to work with you. You can take this with you and make your coffee seconds before you want it and take it with you. You don't have to make a whole pot of coffee that's going to sit around all day and get cold and rewarm it in the microwave. This thing is wonderful. So right now it's making the coffee. It takes a little time to heat up. It does its heating thing. And once it starts heating, then the coffee just comes out. So as you can see, the little button for the capsule is going here. And it's heating the water right now. Sorry for the lapse of talking, but I'm not talking through the whole bunch of minutes. Actually, it's only 3 minutes. So here we go. It's heated up. It's going to start pumping out the coffee. I mean, this is something you could set up in the morning as you're getting dressed. By the time you get done, you got it. There you go. Coffee is coming out. I don't know if you can see this. Wow, does that smell good? This is a flavored coffee that I have in the capsules. I wasn't sure I'd like this one. Boy, does it smell good. I personally like specialty coffees, and I like the flavored ones. I like vanilla and caramel, and I bought a whole bunch of K-cups or K-pods that have all the different flavors, and some of them, as they're coming out, they just smell so good. Okay, we have a cup of coffee coming on here. I don't know how much of this you can see. Try to get it down a little better. See, the coffee's brewing right there. It's all, now it makes that little sound as it's getting to the end. You should wait a couple of seconds so that all of the water can drip out of the coffee. Look at that. Does that look good or what? And it's the perfect temperature. It's not too hot. It's just, okay, I gotta taste this. Hold on. Ah, that is wonderful. This is something that if you are on the go in the morning and you're in a hurry and something you gotta have, this is the pot to have. This is something where you got that hot pot of coffee and you can take this with you. This is great. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.